Hi, this is BNI Amplify, our health team, and guest Edward Takianagi here to talk to you about what happens if you're in an accident. So Edward, as a personal injury lawyer, what would you do if somebody was in an accident?
Well, the first thing that anyone should be focusing on when they're in an accident is getting better. So that should be their main focus, and getting access to the physicians and the practitioners that they need on that road to recovery. The lawyer's job is to look at their policy of insurance that may come into play, decipher that, and make sure that they do have access to all of the medical practitioners that they may require.
Great. And Christy, what would you do as a homeopath?
Well, the first thing I'd recommend is for my client to pick up a remedy called arnica from any local health food store. Taking that 4 to 5 days after the accident will help reduce bruising and inflammation and swelling. If there's some emotional trauma, which there often is with car accidents, something like aconite taken when they're trying to get back into the car and start driving. And then last one quickly, for fractures, some phytum is invaluable to be taken while the fractures are healing. So I'm wondering, Eva, how would you help them?
As an energy healer, my first and foremost would be to lower the stress level. Often in a car accident there's so much going on and so many decisions to make, so helping my clients get into that state of mind where they're a little bit clearer helps. And then the other two would be working with the shoulders. Often there's injuries, so lowering the pain. And then the third would be working with fears around re-entry to work or getting back into a vehicle, really working with those fears in an individual, one-on-one way. How about you, Joel?
Hi, as a chiropractor, my main focus with an acute MVA would be decreasing inflammation, decreasing muscle spasm, and then working with patients to get the range of motion back. So light mobilization, light stretching within pain-free range. If you have been involved in an accident, you have coverage for chiropractic care through ICBC. Always come in sooner than later, because if you leave it, it becomes a bigger problem later. And I recommend everyone to have representation, such as Edward. I work with him closely for my patients to have representation with ICBC.
And as a doctor of traditional Chinese medicine, my main treatment modality for injury is acupuncture. It helps to increase the blood flow, speed up the healing, decrease the tension, because when we get into an accident we tend to guard and our muscles tighten up, so it helps to relax the muscles. I use that alongside some other treatment modalities and supplements to help them speed up their healing. So this is the BNI Amplify Health Team and guest Edward Takianagi, here to talk to you about how to speed up your healing if you've been in an accident. Have a wonderful, healthy, happy day. And I can't get the name right. But that's your name now.